What you doing, Tank? Oh, did you try and get him, Tank? We're at the birdhouse here in Fort Worth, and they're feeding them. There's KK. Oh, Tank tries to get the birds. He's like, I'll hold it. Look at Uncle John. He's like the stick man, the bird man.
Come take my stick. Take this bird. Oh. Give me my stick back.
My stick is all gone. We gotta save one for Emmy.
I know. I gotta hide it somehow.
Here's Kelsey.
And I'm gonna take your stick.
And Uncle Brad.
I'll go find it.
Good job, Kay. We go find some more back at KK? Let's go find some more birds. Get it, Tank. Yeah, Kay. Think you might all be out.
Yeah, it's all gone. Okay, my stick's all gone. Sorry, your stick got taken off. They like warm Johnny. I had to throw a bunch of sticks going birds. Okay, you ready, Susie?